That's his baby bottle with the Montreal Canadiens logo on it. We've got his first trophy that he won in hockey. His parents, when he was younger, used to keep game-by-game stats, which was really interesting. It was amazing the numbers he put up, even when he was playing in Pee Wee and Bantam and that. We're hoping Sidney will be back with the Stanley Cup and visit the Hall of Fame like he did last time he was here after the big parade. So we've been talking with Mom and Dad and encouraged them, cheering them on and telling them that we hope to see him here late in June with the Stanley Cup.
I'm not with the Penguins, I'm with the Canadian, but I like him, and yeah, it's an inspiration for me.
We'd like to show the young people his report card. He was a very good student, and we just show that sports and education are both very, very important. I know there's a lot of Canadians playing the Stanley Cup, but as far as the Maritimers, Sidney's he's the Stanley Cup for us right now, and he's what everyone's cheering for, the vast majority of people here in the Maritimes.
Yeah, one person at a time.